most fun with the video.
See that nice logo. Oh.
Yeah, like the little joints.
There it is. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join me in my straight piped BMW M4, and today we have quite a special video. Recently we picked up a manual BMW M6. My father grabbed one of 100 manuals in the world. Since you guys reached over 1,000 likes on that video, as promised, we're gonna straight pipe that car. We got a full Meistershaft catback race exhaust system for that car. Without further ado, we have our M6 Gran Coupe up at Dixon Motorsports. We're gonna head up there right now. We're gonna meet up with my father. We're gonna film the whole process. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it's like to straight pipe a manual M6 Gran Coupe. And then after that, we're gonna get some proper sounds from the car, really see what it's like to drive the thing as well. So stay tuned, sit tight, and we'll get there in a sec. Just like that, we got the M4 parked up. So here we are up at Dixon Motorsports, and check out this clean, what appears to be an E30. Not sure if it's the real M3, definitely a restored car. Alpine white paint. You can even see the old badging with the purple middle stripe. Nice little retro touch. You know, vertical grills up there. Nice BBS wheels. Oh, man, even has motorsport on the door handles.
It's a stick shift.
what, 60 or something stupid like that?
103.
The second stick shift M6 we had here, which is crazy for exhaust.
Nice. So this is the last time we will hear it stock. Definitely needs to be woken up. There we go. Oh man. Looks like you did a pretty good job packing that in there. Here go all the components on the ground. I don't really know what's what, so you can kind of figure out what this is. I know these are the mufflers, so those are gonna have the valve system. Over here we have the exhaust tips. Massive 104 millimeter or 102 millimeter tips. The nice Meistershaft logo on the top, so that'll look good. And then we have some of the wiring and a couple of remotes for the valve system. So now we can see underneath this beast. See this nice carbon fiber diffuser. It's way bigger than I thought it was going to be. I'm having deja vu. As you can see, the mufflers are real small compared to a lot of the cars out there. Are these the resonators? You guys might have to let me know. These might be the resonators. And then these might be the secondary cats, which are pretty hot. Yeah, and then the downpipes would attach here. Wow, you can even see some of that heat has made it turn bluish purple. Just the stock pipes. Here goes the one of the mufflers right here. You see that nice logo? There you go. Oh, man. Oh wow.
Yeah, like little joints over there.
Oh, that's sick. That's cool. I want to give a huge shout out to GT HAUS, also Meistershaft as well, for sending out this full catback exhaust system for us. If you guys are interested in some of the most top of the line exhaust systems you can really get for any European car, especially BMW, then definitely make sure you check out links in the description as well. We got one of the mufflers installed. Gotta get the tips on there. There it is. See, the tips are on the car, looking beautiful. Oh my god. That just gives the car a whole different presence. Obviously had to keep those tips staggered on both sides, similar to the factory setup. Got a spoiler, have the factory carbon diffuser. What do you guys think? Does this need a bigger, more aggressive diffuser, or does this factory one look proper as is? So the last thing to be done is to wire the valve system into the car. We've got one of the remotes right here. We're gonna test it out, see if it works. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it worked. Ooh, that's satisfying to watch.
You can hear it too.
Yeah. Good in there.
Oh. One day.
Man, look at the paint busting. Uh-oh. That's way better. Yeah.
That's closed.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
There it is.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. Good stuff.
Can we get it cracking now?
It's a very deep sounding exhaust note. He's back. just like that, my dad's M6 Gran Coupe manual is straight piped with the proper Meistershaft Race Exhaust. See what it's like to really drive that thing on the road and really see what it's like to live with that car being straight piped. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.